Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Friday. Welcome to Friday Favorites and Flops. I hope you all had a really good week. I've had a pretty good week myself. Today is actually Friday. Typically, I try to pre-record this video, but I got a little busy yesterday. I actually have a really super small wedding tomorrow on Saturday, and I had to get some stuff ready for that. I'm actually currently looking out my window, wondering how the flower delivery is going to go because we are in the midst of a very rare winter storm here, and it's snowing, and we're supposed to get up to potentially 10 inches tonight on top of the like 3 that we already have. And I kind of live in the hills a little bit. So Craig's on top of it, however. This wedding is going on no matter what. So yeah, wish me luck. Anyway, I have my Friday faves to share with you, so I'm going to go ahead and plow through those with all of you. I will put links for everything in the description box down below. And let us begin. I'm gonna start with more nail stuff because I'm becoming that person. I'm really not. I'm not gonna be like manicure lady on Instagram, not at all. But I have made some major improvements on my nails, and I keep kind of picking up different things here and there to recommend to you guys. And I am really into this new Nailtopia line that just showed up at Ulta. So I placed an order for the Raspberry Cuticle Hydration, which is this right here. I really like the packaging too. And this is basically just a, like, I don't know, what would you call this? It's like a cuticle oil, but it's more of like a cuticle cream. It absorbs very quickly, and this has softened up and hydrated my cuticles so beautifully. I also have the blueberry cuticle, I think it's called the blueberry cuticle renewer. I bought it in the little set where it also came with the clear polish, like the strengthening polish. Love that. I just think this is a really great new nail care line if you haven't looked into it. I think the prices are really reasonable. This I think was $10, and it's considered a drugstore product. So if you want to use the Ulta coupon, you totally can on this stuff. But I'm very intrigued, and I will be trying more from them for sure. I told you guys I was really into one of their nail colors, and I picked it up. I could not resist it. I don't have it on my nails yet because, like I said, I'm working on wedding flowers today, so there's no point in me doing my nails when I'm getting ready for work because my nails get trashed when I work. But this is the Nailtopia in the shade Yacht Week. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color. Oh, I love her. It's like the perfect mermaid polish. It's so beautiful. So my friend Susan, who I told you guys about last week, I'm going to link her Instagram down below again because she also picked up this color, and she did a manicure with it and posted it on Instagram, and it's beautiful. It's so pretty. So I really cannot wait to get this on my nails. I think next week I should be able to maybe take an evening and paint my nails. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But Susan said that this wears extremely well. She didn't have any chipping, just like kind of normal wear after a couple of days. So I'm a fan. Also, this line is vegan. They're cruelty-free, obviously. They're actually Leaping Bunny approved. And yeah, they're a US company from, ooh, what is this place? Haupagu, New York? Haupagu? Haupagu. All right, if you live in New York State, how do you say the name of that town? I know. I mispronounce things. Welcome to my world. Okay. I love this stuff. This is the Kenra Platinum Silkening Mist. Now, I don't use this every single day, but there are days where I really like a very kind of sleek, soft look. You guys know I like a lot of volume in my hair, but there are days where I just prefer something similar to what I have going on today, which is just, you know, not like a ton of volume, but more of like just a natural, sleeker look. And this stuff, this silkening spray, it smells like $1,000,000. I know that's irrelevant, but it matters to me. You just put like a really nice light coat of this into your hair, and it makes your hair feel, oh, it smells so good. It makes your hair feel so soft, but not oily. And you guys, it provides like the most beautiful shine. Like, oh, it doesn't look like it on camera, but like it actually makes my gray hair shiny. Gray hair is hard to make shiny. It's not like, you know, like a beautiful, like dark onyx. Ugh, I love really dark hair, but I have this. So this is what I'm working with. But anyway, this stuff is fantastic. Don't use too much of it, especially if you have fine, thin hair. Just like a light mist, shiny, beautiful. Again, smells really good too. Speaking of good smells, I busted out a backup of my Hemp's Sugared Banana and Vanilla Blossom Herbal Body Wash. This is delightful. It's kind of nice right now, like the contrast between this summery like banana smell and the blizzard that I'm watching out of my window right now. But this is such a nice moisturizing body wash. I actually used this morning to shave my legs, and it makes a really nice like shaving cream. The consistency is kind of interesting. It doesn't foam up like a regular body wash. It's more of like a cream body wash. So it doesn't feel like it's stripping your skin the way like a really foamy, soapy one would. So if you're dealing with dry, tight, itchy winter skin, they have other scents besides this. If you're not into bananas, there's other smells, but I'll link this down below, and I'll link a couple of the other scents that they have. But that's a really great body wash if you've never tried it. Also, to go along with hydrating tight, dry, itchy winter skin, I have been, especially this week because the temperatures plummeted, been using the Truly Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Butter Soothe and Glow. Okay, this stuff is, first off, it looks like a unicorn just pooped that out, right? It's gorgeous. It smells really good too. It's got like a fruity fruit punch smell. It's actually pretty light. So when you get this out, it's like a solid oil. It's almost like coconut oil when it's in its like very solid state. You kind of have to like scoop it out, but it melts in with the heat of your hands and as you're like rubbing it into your legs. I will say, don't plan on putting on leggings right after applying this. It's gonna take a while for this to soak in because it does have quite a few oils in it. So this is full of shea butter, aloe vera. This has sunflower seed oil in it, cocoa butter. It has turmeric in it as well. Tocopherol, matcha, rosewater, hemp seed oil. This is very, very hydrating, but also it's going to take a little bit to soak into your skin. When the weather is like this, I don't mind that. So I just wear some loose sweatpants after putting this on. But this protects your skin like no other. It hydrates, it soothes. It's perfect right after shaving your legs. They have different scents. So this Unicorn CBD obviously has the CBD in it. But you can get just their regular body butters as well. And I think they have several different scents available in those. And I think also smaller sizes. So again, Ulta. I love Ulta. Also, just with shaving and exfoliating winter skin, I don't think that they have this scent right now. This was actually from a holiday collection the year before last. But this is the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Sugared Fantasy. if they don't have this out already right now, I'm going to petition them to make this a permanent part of their line, because along with the lemon blueberry tart, this is like my second favorite scent that they've ever come out with. This, I want to eat it. It's like a blue raspberry. It's so good. It's totally, it smells like it's edible. Don't eat it, but it smells like it. All right. Lips. Okay, what I have on my lips right now and what I have been putting on my lips most of the week, with the exception of, I'll talk about my red lip here in a second, but what I've been wearing most of this week is just this Milani Rose Butter. I forgot how fantastic this was, but it gives me like this nice, really light pink tint to my lips. So what you're seeing is just my natural lip color with this like balm over top. This hydrates and soothes my lips so well, and I think this is like $5 or $6. It's really a great lip butter, but I also like the way that it makes my lips look with that like really light pink tint. But let me share with you guys what my red lip was that I was rocking on Instagram. Of course, now I'm probably not going to be able to find it. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, so I was looking through my lip products because I need to do a makeup purge. I have to go through my makeup, and yeah, there's stuff that needs to go. Anyway, so I came across my NARS lip pencil in Cruella, and I don't know what inspired me to do this, but I was like, I want to wear a red lip today. I think this was on Tuesday. And I put this on and I forgot what a fantastic red color this is. Now, this was a free birthday gift several years ago from Sephora. I didn't actually buy this. I need to find a cruelty-free option for this shade though. This is more of like, I would call this like a blue-based red. Like it's just a very true red, and this, I love this red on me. I don't normally do a bold lip. This is what you guys normally get, is like a pinky nude, right? But this red is fabulous. If you have a cruelty-free option for NARS Cruella, will you let me know? I'm also going to Google that because I really like that red lip on me. And now I think I want to do it more often, but I'd rather have a cruelty-free option. So anyway, love that on my lips. Okay, Hourglass. Okay, so I have been using my ambient lighting powders a little bit differently. Normally I use these to highlight, you know, nose, cheekbones, but what I've been doing is taking a fluffy brush and applying this like in a light layer all over my face before going in with my powder foundation. And look at the glow that it gives my skin. Well, maybe you can't tell. My lighting here is not super great today, but it gives this like lit from within glow all over, and I really, really like it a lot. These Hourglass ambient lighting powders are still hands down my favorite. This one here is diffused light, which is just kind of a nice, I don't know, I would call this like a yellow toned. It's got a really light pale yellow tone to it, and it just brightens my skin up so beautifully. I love this powder. Skincare. I have been testing out these new Derma E ferulic acid resurfacing pads. So these have resveratrol, DMAE, and lactic acid in them. These are supposed to promote tighter and smoother skin. What I can tell you right off the bat is yes, smoother skin is like one of the immediate side effects. So the lactic acid in here is what's gonna like remove all of like the dead skin cells, and it just, like my skin feels so soft after using these, and they don't burn. They're not like tight, dry, or like my skin's not tight, dry, or itchy afterwards. They're actually quite soothing. So the pads are in here. I will say, I feel like there's maybe not enough like liquid in here. I plan on using these up. Like I'm using them Mostly in the mornings, but also sometimes also at night. You can use them twice a day, but I think once a day is probably plenty. So morning or night. And one pad is doing my face and my neck, and there's 50 pads in here. But I want to use these for a little bit longer. I need to do a like Derma E favorites video because there's so many things that I've tried from this particular brand that I think is just absolutely fantastic. So share more of that with you guys. Also, I've been using this for a couple days. I just got it in the mail and I actually just sat in on a skin store masterclass with the creator of Rodeo Skincare, and that was it was so fascinating. I really enjoyed it. It was like a Zoom meeting, and I think there was like maybe like 10 of us there. And she talked about all of her different products, and Skin Store sent all of us who were a part of that masterclass a little package of some Rodeo products that we could test out as she was going through the masterclass and talking about her products. And this is one of their most popular. And after using it for the last 2 days, I can see why. This is the Banana Low Lighter. She calls this a lit from within complexion enhancer. You guys, I took my little, what do you call this? It's a little beauty blender. It's slightly damp. I use this to highlight underneath my eyes. Look how bright my under eye area is. It's been a little sad as of late. I feel like dark circles have never really been a problem for me, but ever since I got sick, I have been dealing with some darkness just in here. This takes it away completely, and the texture of this is amazing. Like I said, I blend it in with just the little beauty blender guy, but you can just use your fingers as well. Holy brightening. And then I go over with my powder foundation. Like, you cannot tell that there was any darkness or sadness on my inner corners. This is good stuff. Anyway, I learned a lot about some of the products, and I look forward to sharing just a little bit of a compilation video with you guys to let you know about some of these Rodeo products. It's the first time that I'm trying them, and I'm really definitely enjoying a couple of the things that I would have probably never picked up myself. So anyway, I'm excited to share that with you guys. But that's pretty much all that I have for today. So I'll put links for everything in the description box down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I do have some home fragrance stuff pre-recorded for the weekend. So if you're interested, that will be showing up in your subscription box. And thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate it. And please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.